Hey viewers, good to see you here. We all are frequent online purchasers. So what if you could manage your online transactions without using a physical card or physical money? Yes, in Odoo, we have a feature called electronic wallet, which is referred to as Ewallet, where you can just manage your financial transaction without using a physical card or money. So let's head into the sales module to manage with the Ewallet, where you can just go to the configuration settings to enable the feature of Ewallet that allow you to manage the promotions, coupon cards, loyalty cards, gift cards, and Ewallet. Now let's move on to the product tab where you can manage the Ewallet. So currently we don't have any Ewallets over here, so we have to just begin it from the scratch. So let's click on new button to create a new Ewallet, where you can just give the program name as Ewallet. And you also need to choose the program type as Ewallet. So Ewallet would allow you to make online transactions, like you can just manually or automatically use the Ewallet when the customer orders a product. So you can make use of the online money. So here we have to set the Ewallet product, which is top-up Ewallet, which is a service product, as well as if you want to just choose an email template, you can apply over here. So the currency that we're gonna use in the Ewallet will be USD, and let's make it available in the POS, sales, and website also. So this can be used in all websites, and you can also use this in all POS. So once you create an Ewallet, you can just save this, and now we need to generate the Ewallet. So to generate the Ewallet, just click on generate Ewallet button. Here in the wizard you can see a field called customer. So if you want to limit this Ewallet for a particular customer, then you can choose a particular customer. So if you're keeping this field as null, then this Ewallet could be used for any of the customers. And if you want to just set this for a particular category, like business categories or consultings or any special categories, you can use the customers tags. And here you can also set the quantity that you need to generate. So by default it is set as 64, and you can also set a value that to be applied or top up in the Ewallet. So I'll be keeping this field as null in the customer field, so I can use this Ewallet for any of my customers. And I'm going to top up this with 1000 USD and not setting any validity period for this Ewallet, so that the customer could use this Ewallet at any time without any time constraint. So let's generate the Ewallet. So as I generate 64 Ewallet, this 64 Ewallet will be top up to 1000 as the balance. Now we need to consider the code of each Ewallet. So I'm going to just use the code of the Ewallet. Afterwards, we have just received an order from the customer, the addict. So here you can choose a customer, and you can also choose a product. So the addict is making a purchase of acoustic block screen. So he want to make use of his Ewallet, as he has 1000 USD balance in his Ewallet, so he won't be using any physical cards or physical money to make the transactions. So here you have to go with the coupon codes, where you have to apply the code that you have just copied from the Ewallet. So let's copy that and apply. So as you just apply, you will get another wizard to make it available of the reward. So here you can choose the option of Ewallet and just apply, and you can see that the amount will be debited from the Ewallet, and that is shown over here. So this is how we manage with the Ewallet, and you can see that the money has just debited from the Ewallet. So without being using a physical card or money, you can make the transaction. Now let's go with further process, like let's confirm the order and let's make the delivery of the item. So currently we are just dealing with the Ewallet, so we'll be discussing the rest of the topics in another video. So hope this concept is clear for you. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.